glorified, pedestal, honor, elevate.
Welcome to Elevate with Vern. This is going to be a vlog and a chat. We're going to do an unboxing of this item. You may know who this is. If not, stay tuned to find out what I have inside. I can't wait to show you. Woo! Welcome back to Elevate with Vern. So this is going to be an unboxing and we're going to do a chat. This is going to be a vlog. Why? Because I need to vent and I need to tell y'all what's going on. So it's a lot going on. So this is the day and then a day in the life of a vlogger, a content creator, an entrepreneur, a 9-to-5er, and all that good thing. So I worked my 9 to 5. I came home. I had 4 meetings. Do you hear me? 4. Then I had to run to the store. Then my daughter called. She finally moved out. Thank you. But then she wanted us to help her move her. Listen. Then I had to come and do this video. So I am tired, but you guys bear with me. I should have got me something to drink. But anyway, that's my day so far. So I have a package that I wanted to support one of these entrepreneurs who I've always seen on Instagram. And I kept telling her I wanted something. And I wanted this one special thing. But come to find out the person that I was getting it for doesn't have pierced ears. So I'm like, okay, great. But when they get them, I will definitely get them a pair. So this here, I was seeing, her name is Chantal J. Y'all might know who she is, you might not. But before I open it, I just want to let you guys know, thank you for being here. If this is your first time here, my name is Vern. This is Elevate with Vern. Yes, I have pom-poms. I am pom-pom and praise. You guys can check me. Like, oh my goodness, almost everywhere on every platform. My name is Elevate with Vern. You can find me on Instagram in the morning at 7 a.m. and at noon. And in the morning, I do a show called Devotion and Donuts, which is part of just getting up in the morning, thanking God for being who he is and loving us. So that's what I do in the morning. In the afternoon, I go live between Instagram and YouTube. And now I have my Facebook connected to my YouTube channel. Excuse me, my chair. I'm hitting this other chair. My Facebook connected to my YouTube channel. So now when I stream on YouTube, I'll also be streaming on Facebook. So what we do here is we talk about God. We have fun. We play games. We talk about business. We talk about mindset because that is the main thing. So I am a mindset renewal advisor where I help you through kingdom practices just to think in a different way. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a creator, a mom, a dad, a friend, whatever. And that is what I do with that. And then I also talk about business information to help you to increase your business knowledge. And I talk about social media. Now, I also am a keynote speaker. So if you need somebody for your event and you want it to be absolutely amazing and positive and lively, then check out your girl, Elevate with Vern. You can find me on Facebook. That is where you can book your sessions, or you can DM me on Instagram. I prefer you to do Facebook, but if you have an issue, then definitely message me on Instagram. Okay, so now I also sell merch, and if you're interested in purchasing merch, make sure you go to my description box or on my banner of my YouTube channel, and you can go straight to my Spreadshirt shop and purchase merch. So let's get into opening this amazing package that I have from Chantal J. I was so excited. I do want to read a little bit about her. I hope my phone works. I want to read her bio on Instagram. I'm also going to be inputting her information here, so you will see it on the screen somewhere. So let me try to pull her up here. But if you're still here all this time and you are enjoying it so far, please comment, like, subscribe, and share this video out with your friends and tell them to come on over. Go back and watch some of my previous videos where I tell you about updates on YouTube, updates on social media. So check it out. Come on over. We have a lot of fun here. So let me see if I can find her page. And I meant to do this before I started. But again, the life of a content creator. I had 18 things going on, right? And did everything but what I was supposed to do. So, yeah. That's it. So while I'm bringing her up, I want you guys to definitely make sure you are connecting with me. And so her Instagram is I'm saying Chantal. I hope I'm saying it right. It's not Chantal. I think it's Chantal J. She is a business owner. She curates jewelry inspired by our roots. Yeah, our roots. You'll see what I'm talking about in a few minutes. All eyes on you guaranteed. So please go check out her website. Go check out her Instagram. And again, I will be putting all the information in here. So let's open it up and see what we have. I'm so excited. You ready? Okay. I thought I had pre-cut it. Okay, I did. I pre-cut it. Y'all know, always pre-cut your packages. So, beautiful, beautiful packaging. I love the gold. And it has her beautiful face. I remember I did one of these pictures when I was in elementary school. We had to cut out like our face and then we cut around it. No, I probably don't have it no more. But if I do, I'll find it. But we would cut it out and we would put our face on there. So I remember this. And I had a Black History teacher that did it too. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Oh, I love this. Look how beautiful. Okay. So it says, thank you for your order. Your purchase made my day and your support means the world to me. Next order, 15% off. Don't worry, because I'm going to be using my code boo-boo because I already seen something else I wanted. You know, the studs. I did not see that before. I don't know how I missed it. But it comes with a cleaning cloth. Okay. And it comes in this cute white box. And I'm going to open it right here in front of y'all. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Do you like it? Do you like it like this? Here we go. Look. You're like, what is that? What is that? They are Africa earrings, okay? Not Texas. Please, do not get her mixed up with Texas. It's not Texas. It's Africa. Okay? It's Africa. So, because I have on my little leopard here, I definitely wanted to show y'all my earrings today with the, oh, shoot. Hold on. I'm dropping things with this outfit. So I'm going to take these off. Your girl tired, so excuse me. I'm throwing the earrings all around. Oh, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful, y'all. Look how pretty that is. I love it. And I believe these are the 7-inch. She has larger ones and she has smaller ones. I think 4-inch. 7-inch, 11, and 13. I think those are the sizes, but this is a 7-inch gold dangle. Next ones I'm gonna get will have the little stud on it. Oh my god, the studs are so cute. I might put a picture of them in here so you can see. Okay. So we got these. Oh, I thought I had a rubber band here. I was gonna pull my hair back and but look. You ready? Baby, let me turn to the side. Turn to the other side. Yeah. Y'all go get it. Tell her, your Booskies. So she'll tell my people are called my Booskies. So if they come over to you, honey, and they say, oh, I'm a Booski from Vern, then you know they from me. Look at the, man, these are so beautiful. Oh, I love them. Look at that. Baby. Look. With the hair up. Against that bronze skin. Oh my gosh. Baby. We doing it. We doing it. Okay. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Go get your earrings from my girl. Go get them. Go get them. So now. Again, my name is Vern. I do want to thank y'all all for being here. Continue to follow me for great content, great information, and updates. I may be doing some other things. Again, I have a lot going on right now in the month of May. But however, in June, I will be going on the YouTube Carnival Conquest cruise hosted by Me and I, rather sponsored by Me and I, hosted the YouTube forum by myself, Elevate with Vern, and my cousin, Rod of Points Blank Travel. Make sure you're following Me and I. Make sure you're following Rod of Points blank travel experience and all these other 15 channels he got. He know what I mean. Follow him, follow me and and stay tuned for content for the cruise. The cruise is in June. I'm super excited to be going, and thank you guys for allowing me to be a speaker at the forum. But not only that, I will be meeting my only bloodline cousin, Adrian. If you've been following me and you know who I am, you know what I'm talking about. If not, go back and binge watch some content. But Adrian is my cousin. I was adopted at birth, and I'm going to finally meet her in person on the cruise. We're going to be bunkies and roommates and everything. So I'm totally super excited. So with that said, thank you all for being here. Again, comment, like, subscribe, and share this out. And you guys know what I'm going to say. Today's a good day to have a great day. Never stop dreaming. Be a kind human being to someone else and pay it forward. Go check out my girl, Chantal J, on Instagram. Go check her out. Go get your Africa earrings, baby. All different sizes. Tell her Vern sent you. Tell her you a Booski, baby. I love y'all. Go out there and spread love and spread light. Good night. Bye,
Elevate, elevate with Vern. Heighten, rise, voice, promote, upgrade. Elevate, lift, transcend, uplift, jump, elevate, raise, glorify, pedestal, honor, elevate.
We gon' elevate and motivate, inspire to be great. Yesterday is yesterday, today is a new day. So if each one can